Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time clicking on a video, I provide review content, hauls, unboxings, and I may throw in a few mukbang reviews. If you're new, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. I drop one video that's once a week, every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back. Okay. So what I'm going to do in this video, as you can see right here in front of me, I'm going to unbox the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Now I purchased this from Best Buy for $299.99. It was on sale. But before I get into this unboxing, I'm going to take a look around the packaging, because I believe you can get most of the information that you need to know about a product is by looking around the packaging. So let's take a look. As you can see at the top here, you have the GoPro logo, and here it says Hyper Smooth 3.0 stabilization. You got the Hero 9 Black, and as you all know, if you don't know, GoPro is now on their 11th of the GoPro. Here you have cloud upload automatically. You have a picture of the GoPro with this nice purple and blue liquid. And down here it says 20 megapixel camera. It shoots 5K at 30 frames per second. It shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. And you can live stream in 1080p and also be in water up to 33 feet without having to have a external waterproof case. And it's in this nice black background. Taking a look on the side, it gives you an illustration of what you're going to get in the box. So you're going to get the camera, a battery, and it comes with a mount screw, 2 mounts, a USB cable, and a case. On the back, it says upload your footage to the cloud while charging with the GoPro subscription. They have a picture of the GoPro, and you can get the GoPro app on the App Store and the Google Play Store. And down here, you just have some information in different languages. So this GoPro can shoot still pictures at 20 megapixel. Like I said before, it shoots 5K, 4K, and you can stream at 1080p. It allows you to be in the water up to 33 feet. You have voice control, slow-mo, data overlays, time warp 3.0, 1080p streaming, super photos, HDR, RAW, web mode, and you have a touchscreen in the back with that Hyper Smooth 3.0 stabilization. And on the bottom you have the barcode and some information, and on the top you just have the number 9. So a very simple packaging, nothing too fancy, straight to the point. I do like the illustration on it. It gives you a lot of information about what you're getting right out of the box. Let's go ahead and open the box. So you open it down here, and it has this nice gradient from blue to black. So we're going to pull this tab here like so. And as you can see, it comes in this nice GoPro case with the GoPro logo. The case is black, hard, so that the camera or any of your accessories on the inside will not get damaged. Very nice quality. Has a nice pull zipper here with the GoPro 4 squares on this rubber piece. I don't know if the camera is showing it. So that's nice that they provide that. So inside the case, as you can see, you have your GoPro camera, the USB Type-C cable, no branding on the cable. You get one GoPro battery. You get a mount with branding on the mount on this rubber piece and on the back. You get another mount with the 3M tape. Very thick plastic. And then you get the mount tool. Here is a quick start guide, front and back, and GoPro was nice enough to give some stickers. Really good cardstock. It's not a flimsy paper. And then this is black and white regular paper. And here is the GoPro Hero 9. Going to take this paper off. It has the GoPro logo. Down at the bottom, it has a speaker. You have your lens, your front-facing color display. On this side, it says 9 black with the power on and power off button. And on this side, you have the color display touchscreen. And it has the GoPro logo here with an indicator light. And on this side, nothing. And on the bottom here, you have where you would attach your mounts. And here is where the battery, the SD card, and the charging port is placed. So in order to open this up, you're going to push up like so and pull. I'm going to put the SD card and the battery in. SD card goes in this slot here. And then the battery, close that up. And it's in place. Take the protective screen off of the lens and the front facing display. And there you have it, the GoPro Hero 9. Now that we have the battery in, the SD card in, and I did charge it up a little bit, I also connected to the GoPro app. I'm going to turn it on so you can see the back and the front display. So to turn on the camera, you're going to press this button on the side here. You can see the GoPro camera powers up very quickly. So this is the back display, and then if I turn it, this is the front display. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on off. So this has been my unboxing of the GoPro Hero 9, purchased from Best Buy on sale for $299.99. If you have made it this far in the video, and if this video has been a help to you, please make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. Please make sure you like, comment, and share this video with each and every one you know. My next video I will shoot with this GoPro camera. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.